opinion of the dudes.
Toast, this is more exciting.
But what if you win the lottery of getting girls?
Oh wait, I can get.
What the fuck? What are you trying to say?
Why are you upset, huh?
Why are you asking me why I'm upset? Can you stop talking? Hello.
Yikes.
Alright.
What are you doing?
Don't.
Yeah, I know.
Jerry!
I see.
Come here.
You can turn that off.
Dude, why are they telling me stop music? It's not me.
No, yeah, no, it's the Streamlabs. Because you can donate to submit like a video, right? And then it'll like play the video. So I need to turn that option off.
Wait,
Just stream. Oh, this is Streamlabs.
Labs.
why are you doing? Are you actually tying it?
Oh, it's because you cut your hair. Remember the last time I did it? I couldn't because your hair was so long. I mean, your hair was long. Now I can't because it's cut. Good job. Okay, this is the test. Anytime I can, it means you need a haircut.
I just see his, like, him crumbling down, you know?
It's okay, you survived too.
What do you mean survive, Yvonne?
No.
Yeah, what did you mean
He
by
just
that?
looks like he's dying right now.
He always looks like that. It's just
Oh.
his resting face.
Oh. Wait, Toast has hella long lashes. Why do all the guys have long lashes?
I actually.
Because our ancestors were hunters, and we hunted in sandstorms. That's why.
Why?
Our ancestors were hunters, and we hunted in sandstorms. You know Darude? He was our ancestor.
Jeremy, but they call him Toast. He thinks he's a god better than most. Shit, I don't
That was so good. I felt like I was part of your music posse for a second. You know, like anytime.
play music?
Yeah, level 9 by the way.
Wait,
Piano,
piano?
and then I quit.
Do you regret?
No,
Oh.
I was happy.
Eat it, Devon. Describe taste.
Can I try?
Here, try. This is tofu.
No, it's not.
It's tofu.
It's not tofu.
Oh.
I'm watching you.
Okay, where's my shoes?
No, they weren't all for you.
Jeremy, you didn't get my text.
Janet, you want some of these? I can't eat it all. I bought it to share.
You did get me something.
Wait, what?